Let us take a brief look into a particular law that finds application in most of the industries we have around. And that law is called the Law of Thermodynamics. In some cases, we call it Law of the Conservation of Energy. During the conversion of energy from one form to another, the amount of energy into the system is the same as the amount of energy that goes out of the system. So pictorially, we have the energy input must be equal to the energy output. The energy input into this system, let's take this as an isolated system, must be equal to the energy that leaves the system. This is explained by the law of thermodynamics or the law of conservation of energy, which states that energy can never be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another. And those transformations are what we discussed in our previous lesson on the transformation of energy. We saw that energy can be transformed from heat to electrical, from electrical to sound, and so on and so forth, based on the application. To move a step further, this simply shows that the total energy in an isolated system, the total energy in an isolated system is constant. And by isolated system, I mean a system that does not allow either mass or energy to enter or leave. So the same energy that is sent into the system is the same energy that leaves the system. And this is the basic concept of the law of thermodynamics or the law of the conservation of energy. This is where we end it for today's class. In our next class, we will delve a little bit into the concept of the conservation of energy.